As part of the 4th AFRA-NEST General Assembly and 3rd Regional Meeting hosted by the Northwest University, we had the opportunity to host Vice-Chancellors from across Africa on the Potchefstroom campus. Guests were granted the opportunity to explore some of the exceptional programs that the NWU has to offer. At the Faculty of Natural and Agricultural Sciences, they were introduced to the cutting-edge work done at the Center for Human Metabolomics. This fascinating discipline lies at the heart of understanding the comprehensive measurement of all metabolites and low molecular weight molecules in a biological specimen. At the Faculty of Engineering, the focus shifted to a key element of our future: hydrogen. The Vice-Chancellors had the opportunity to delve into the advancements and the potential of hydrogen within the engineering domain. HISA is sponsored by a number of stakeholders, including the Department of Science and Innovation. The discussions and demonstrations provided a glimpse into the impactful work that the faculty is engaged in. At the Faculty of Health Sciences, our guests were immersed in the world of healthcare research and innovation with a specific focus on the pharmaceutical environment. The visit to this faculty underscored the university's commitment to advancing health sciences and addressing critical challenges in the field. The overarching objective of this comprehensive tour was to exhibit the caliber of research conducted across the various fields. The visit emphasized the university's dedication to pushing the boundaries of knowledge, fostering innovation, and contributing to societal progress. For the duration of the event, a significant theme emerged: collaboration and partnerships, and the immense potential for collaboration between the respective institutions and the NWU was acknowledged. This fruitful exchange marked the beginning of discussions on how to harness collaborative efforts, uniting expertise and resources for mutual advancement. This visit served as an invaluable bridge connecting academic leaders from across the continent with the groundbreaking work done at the NWU. The journey demonstrated the commitment to research excellence and the pursuit of solutions that impact our world positively. Northwest University. It all starts here.